Hello guys, I'm somewhere around 25 kilometers before Satara. So there's a wonderful story to say which I couldn't stop myself. So this is a small welding shop which I accidentally had to stop here.
Dada Saheb Bhote.
So his name is Dada Saheb Bhote. So he's 63 now. So the story that I'm gonna tell is like, you'll be shocked. Just this morning I was just chatting with my friends on WhatsApp, just boasting of my 7,000 kilometers that I've done in my Bullet, which has a high-tech equipment, all those sensors and all those nonsense kind of stuff. And accidentally, as I told you earlier, I just stopped here to get a clamp done here in this welding shop, and I just met this guy and I was just telling him quickly ki, yeah, this is how I just went to Kardungla. It's casually, I was not doing. So he just asked, where are you from? Then he started asking me, have you went to those northern parts and all these kind of stuff? I said, yeah. He started asking me in detail, and did you go there, did you go here, and all this kind of stuff. I thought, yeah, this guy is pretty informed. Then after all my stories of all these adventures, I asked him, oh, you know pretty much about Leh Ladakh and all. So you know these places, have you been? He said, yes, I have been to these places. Okay, I was amused a little bit. Then I asked him, okay, you went in train or bus? I said, no, I went in bike. So that's the story. I was shocked to listen that this guy had been to Leh Ladakh Kardungla, world's highest motorable road. It's not easy there, believe me. On this bike, the bike that you're seeing here. There's nothing bad about this bike. I just went with this TVS Star City. So I went there with a backup vehicle, with a mechanic, with all that kind of stuff. This guy, you can see the clamp, it seems he put that. I'll also ask him the pictures if he has. So it's been there, he's 62 and he's been there in 2012. He went there when he was at 60 years of age. So you can imagine the kind of adventure this man, and it seems he has this passion for travel. So guys, in short, travel teaches you so many things. Showing me his bike, how he took to Leh Ladakh. He's just showing his seat, just fitting that seat clamp. Man, it's awesome. Just for this comfort, just to rest your back, you can just see.
आगे पीछे.
Okay.
आगे पीछे कर सकता है.
Okay. Oh, awesome. So it's an awesome system that he's done. It seems he went from किधर गए थे आप? यहाँ से near Satara. Satara is around 100 kilometers from Pune.
150.
Satara is 150 kilometers from Pune. So from this place he went to. आपका रूट बताओ ना, कैसे गए थे?
Satara, Khandala, Shirwar, Khed, Katraj, Pune.
Okay. And ऐसे पूरा प्लान बताओ ना.
पूरा Pune, Nashik,
Okay.
Dole, Indore, बाद में कोंटा, जयपुर, हिसार,
ओके
पानीपत,
ओके
कुरुक्षेत्र, चंडीगढ़, बाद में धर्मस्थल, धर्मशाला,
ओके धर्मशाला,
कांगड़ा,
ओके
धर्मशाला, बाद में मंडी, कुल्लू, मनाली, रोहतांग,
हाँ वो सारा चोरचू लेह लद्दाख वैसे होके वापस आते वक्त
लेह,
कारगिल वारगिल द्रास,
मुल्बेक, कारगिल, द्रास, सोनमर्ग, श्रीनगर,
वापस वही पानीपत होके
नहीं पानीपत नहीं, नो पानीपत,
हाँ, तो राजस्थान साइड चले
नहीं राजस्थान, श्रीनगर से बनिहाल,
ओके हाँ
पटनी टॉप से जम्मू,
हाँ
ये वैष्णो देवी,
ओके
वैष्णो देवी करके एक दिन रुका, बाद आफ्टर दैट पठानकोट, अमृतसर, वाघा बॉर्डर, वाघा बॉर्डर, फिर बैक टू अमृतसर, गंगा सागर बीकानेर का वो आजू-बाजू का 1-2 डेज हॉल्ट,
ओके तो हॉल्ट वॉल्ट सब लॉज में कर रहे थे,
लॉज में, आफ्टर दैट जैसलमेर,
ओके
1 डे,
ओके
350 किलोमीटर,
ओके
जैसलमेर वो शाम, जैसलमेर पैलेस,
ओके
बाद में आफ्टर जैसलमेर जोधपुर, जोधपुर से कंबलगढ़, उदयपुर से गांधीनगर,
गांधीनगर से हाईवे पकड़ के मुंबई,
आनंद,
हाँ
ऐसा नवसारी, सूरत, भरूच, ठाणे, पुणे,
फिर बैक टू सूरत, बैक टू सतारा। सो टोटली कितना दिन लगा आपको ट्रिप? 40 days. So he took 40 days for this whole trip.
And total kilometer is around 7,600.
7,600, huh? And just see how simply he's saying it's 7,600.